I'm for that old. Hey, on luck here, son. Yeah, that's you. I'm for that old.
I am not a stingy guy. Just some. Tell me very well.
Now I know you be correct.
Tell me very well. You can Good. I will deal with you.
Once you finish this akara, you are in trouble.
I will deal with the other.
I trust you.
I will tell them that
Remove the account.
I will deal with them. I will let them know that I came from the United States of America.
Remove the account.
And they will know. Then stop.
And the me, I am a detective.
From farm to farm.
Let me have a detective. Why should I be insulting me? See him. Hey. Oh yeah. Look at the boy here. I just said you are coming from the other side, Sabi. You have gone and bribed them again. They ask me what thing again.
So are you the one? Is it the one?
This one. This is the fool that was playing Tiki. Look at him. You're asking me.
Mr. Man, I am the chief judge of all the federation. Son.
See, this is why we run. Arrest him first. You are telling me you are
of United Kingdom. And now,
Tom, let's go.
Okay.
You want him to run?
Go.
You don't know where I've been pursuing this boy.
Don't worry, let's go.
Don't worry.
Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law.
Yes.
Follow us.
Yes.
Follow us.
Yes. I look at the way you're moving. Move. Son is arresting you. Look at the way you're moving.
Oh, wait. No.
Daddy, you're still not getting it.
You will run. Your kind of people are.
You are here dancing like a snake. Shut up. Arrest him.
Shut up. Because anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. Hold him.
You are under arrest.
Hold this.
Ask me.
Move.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Move. You get you break any atomic of running.
That's my son talking to me. Don't make any move. Because if you make any move, all your family are in trouble. United Nations hand. If you run, United Nations will use everything and arrest you people.
Exactly.
Baby,
They don't know.
follow me.
I came to this, community because of this kind of thing. It's for 2 seconds.